Chicken nuggets again?
Yes, please.
Chicken nuggets coming up. Oh no.
What is it, Daddy?
I think our microwave's broken.
Aw, maybe we should call a repairman.
Boy, that was quick. Huh. Hi. Can I help you?
Did you call for a repairman?
Well, yes, I did. Is that you? All right, come on in. I'll show you where the microwave is. Yeah, it's right in here. Yeah, the microwave, I went to make some chicken nuggets, and it just wasn't working. I really don't know what's wrong.
Do you have a ladder?
Oh, sure. Hold on a second. There you go.
Okay, let's take a look. Yep, it's broken, alright.
Well, what should we do? Do you think you can fix it?
Well, as long as it has power, you should be able to set the timer and put start.
Well, I know that much, but what happens after you press start?
Well, when you press start, that's when the magic should happen.
Oh.
Your problem is you're not getting any magic.
Okay, so what should I do?
Sir, you need a new microwave.